What's going on, YouTube? We have got some exciting news. So, the day has come. It's performance time, and we're going to the servo before we do much else. Don't get run over by a bus. But, so first of all, servo. Then we're going to Suncity Harley because I've booked the Dyna in to get some engine work. Everyone knew this day was coming, but the day is here. We're going to go and talk to Andrew Eade, who's the service guru at Suncity, and he's going to run us through what we've got booked in. But I've got 2 words for you. Stage 5, bitches. No, that was 3, but just cut the bitches bit off the end, and that's 2. Righto, so we will fast forward to getting there, and Edie can run us through what we're doing, and then we'll just be super excited until we get to pick her up. But righto, let's just fast forward till we get there. Alright, so we're just dropping the baby off now, and that little baby 103 is going to turn into a 110. And here you go, this is Andrew Eade's bike. He's the guy who hooked me up with this stage 5 kit, so we'll go inside and check it out. Suncity Harley. Look at the weather, fucking beautiful. Alright, let's go in.
You're day up today.
No, I'm working.
Oh.
Shh. Righto, brother, run us through it.
Alrighty, so we got the stage 5. It's actually in the new books they call it a stage 4, but it is actually a stage 5 103 to 110 cube tyre shredder kit. Basically what it all boils down to is we got the new 110 cube jugs, the 10.2 to 1 high comp pistons, and we've got the top of the range Screaming Eagle cylinder heads. You basically cannot get a better head than this from Screaming Eagle, ported and polished, ready to rock. So that's going to also help add to the amount of horsepower this thing makes. We've got the billet cam plate with the high volume oil pump, so this is going to help cooling. It's going to keep the motor cool, especially when idling through traffic. We've got the 259 cams. So this is basically the big brother to the 211 camshaft. It's going to basically give awesome power from mid-range through the red line. So that's going to really suit your riding style. We've got the 58mm throttle body. And this is pretty sexy bit of gear. That's your new Screaming Eagle manifold.
Yep.
So obviously we had to match that up. We've got the new 58mm heavy breather. We're going to change a couple of things out because it's going to have the elite type filter on it.
Yep.
Which will look a bit cooler, I think.
Yeah, sweet.
Short snub nose and that badging along the side. We've got the Screaming Eagle lifters that we've had soaking in oil overnight, just so we can have them bled up, ready to go, so there's no dry lifting noise when we finally fire this thing up.
Yep.
Perfect push rods. So there's no guessing there. They basically built or designed at the right length to suit this engine.
Beautiful.
And that's about it, man. Then we got to get Dan to put it all together. You can smile, Dan. And then he's going to work his magic on the dyno, and we should hopefully see this thing up in some high 120 numbers with torque. Don't know what it's going to do horsepower, but
Heaps.
hopefully yes.
1 or 2.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll take some photos and everything on the build, and Should be a good build and hopefully get some big numbers.
Sweet, we'll get into it.